ka na
Guys, we are here in our room. So we will see what's inside. Ayan. Welcome. Wow! There's a Versace. Wow, it's so very nice to set up, guys. See, it's very huge. Oh my God, Versace! This is a hotel apartment. Meron kayong lababo, meron kayong lutuan. At saka mga kagamitan here. I will tour you in the room here. So there are 3 rooms, guys, because we are 5. This is the first room. Wow, it's so nice. Hey. Wait ah. Ang laki. This is the second room. So solo dito, guys. Maganda sana kung dinala ko pa yung aking
Wala po.
sensor. Hala, ang